What is the author's purpose in citing the geisha's usual work schedule in the last paragraph? A. To explain that the routine of all geishas currently changed. B. To provide a contrast to Ikuko's current less busy schedule. C. To question the health safety of such a schedule. Or D. To help illustrate the retirement options for geishas. Let's go through our choices and see which one can be backed up by the text. A. To explain that the routine of all geishas currently changed. As the text doesn't imply anywhere that all geishas' routines have changed, we can see that this can't be the answer. We see how Ikuko's routine is different, but not every geisha. This can be marked as incorrect. B. To provide a contrast to Ikuko's current less busy schedule. This is a more likely candidate. As we just stated, this paragraph describes both a regular geisha's routine and Ikuko's modified routine, showing us how at age 80 she has adapted the trying routine to suit her needs. This is likely our answer, but we'll take a look at the other choices just to be sure. C. To question the health safety of such a schedule. Although it does sound grueling, nowhere in the text do we see any question of the health safety. This can be marked as incorrect. And D. To help illustrate the retirement options for geishas. Again, as the paragraph doesn't mention this at all, this can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer, choice B, can be marked as our final answer.